Assalamu alaikum. Today I will tell you about 5 senses of a recorded video for online teaching. Let me tell you that whenever you are making an online video for online teaching, there are 5 senses for it. When we are teaching practically or we are communicating with anyone physically, there are 5 senses involved always: our sight, our hearing sense, our taste, smell, and touch. Similarly, there are 5 senses of online delivery when you are making a video for the students to learn. And these 5 senses are: the first one is the quality of the video, the resolution of the video. The video should be clear enough that they can understand everything you are going to deliver. The second sense is the audio. The audio quality should be very much clear. It should be of high level. There should not be distractions or noise in the background. Your audio conditions should be so good that the student is comfortable in hearing your voice. Also, you should speak in a tone and rhythm that it is good for the student. Third sense is your light conditions. If your video quality is very good, your audio quality is very good, but if the light conditions are not fine and you are trying to explain something or show something, your audience will not be happy. So the light should be adjusted properly. It should not be so much that it is glaring, producing glare. It should also be telling you that which areas are needed to be more focused, which areas need less focusing. So the light and illumination should be proper. That is the third sense. The fourth sense of online video delivery is that your text should be legible. If you're writing something on a whiteboard, it should also be legible for the students. And if you are writing something, the size and font should be easily understandable. If you're showing some object, the object should be of a considerable size. And the fifth sense of online video delivery is your coherence. So the coherence is connecting all the remaining four. Your speech, your content should be well connected. Everything should be functional and consistent. You should be talking about the students and the contents in a very precise and focused way. You should not talk astray or unnecessary things in the video. The student and your audience is very much focused. So talking about your stories or unnecessary going away from the right topic is just wastage of time. It is not your physical interaction with the students, where students need the rest within the lecture. So when he is listening to your video, he is focused on the topic you are talking about. He is not focused about any stories or any experiences of your life. So these are the 5 senses of video: quality of video, audio of video, the light conditions and ambience of video, the legibility and understandability of the text or contents, and coherence. Thank you.